Alabat Island here in Gumaca, Quezon. Elongated Island. Meron ding church dyan, Alabat Church. Yan, meron kang makitang mga houses. The Alabat Island of Quezon. Yan, elongated siya talaga. So, kaya pala tayo 7,000 island. High tide, low tide. Ayan, because of these islands. We're going to Bicol. Kaya we're passing by Quezon. Ayan, kita natin may community. The Alabat Island of Quezon.